Hi, welcome to I Love the Library. My name is Brenda Labine and I'm a library associate here at the Detroit Lakes Public Library, and you can also find me at the Frazee and Lake Park Link sites. So if you look outside right now, it might not seem like it's gardening season, but now is the perfect time to start getting ready for that garden. So I'm going to share some books the library has on gardening. And the first one is Vegetable Gardener's Handbook by the Farmer's Almanac. In this book, I found you can benefit from time-saving and proven techniques. One example is before throwing out those old seeds from other years, you can test them to see if they germinate on paper. Also, it explains how to use grow lights and how long you should use them. The second book is the Midwest Gardener's Handbook by Melinda Myers. And even if you are an experienced gardener, horticulturalist, Melinda Myers shares her experience with not only vegetables, but flowers, trees, and shrubs. The Homegrown Pantry is a gardener's guide to selecting the best varieties and planting the perfect amounts for your family. For example, how many potatoes should you plant for a family of 4? Which fruits should you freeze and which should you dry? And what kind of tomatoes you should make the best salsa? And speaking of salsa, this book, Epic Tomatoes, How to Select and Grow the Best Varieties by Craig LaHouliere, tells about he's been growing tomatoes all his life, and he explains how to grow and harvest the best tomatoes with practical and beautiful guides. He has pictures of all of them, and he shares his 33 top varieties. In Organic Gardening for Everyone by Callie Kim, she teaches you how to start simple and expand later, save money by starting from seeds, building healthy soil, and mapping out your garden beds before you start. She also talks about managing pests and diseases without chemicals. And this book, Vegetable Gardening Wisdom by Kelly Smith Trimble, has little tips, daily advice, and inspiration. The one that I thought was interesting was plant basil near tomatoes. Not only are they a great combination in the kitchen, but the basil smell confuses tomato-loving insects. Well, thank you for joining me on I Love the Library, and we'll see you next time.